What happens when you get a 5-star luxury yacht in Bangkok? Let's go! Here we go, it's turning up. Oh, we're loading up. I've got my own little seat as well. My own little table. Right, so we're moving already. All the food is free. He's loaded up with 2 beers. Let's go. Start with the drinks. As many as you can, boss. Everyone's saying, sit down. I'm like, why? We're going under a fucking bridge right now. We're on desserts now. I don't know what these are, but let's try. That's disgusting. Cheers.